Hi everyone. Here's the second recorded message for you. It's a while now since I've checked in with you, so there are a few things that I wanted to bring up. Number one, I'm very sorry about all the delays that you've been suffering over the registration for the course and for getting up on Blackboard. I wish there was something more I could do about it, but I have been in frequent contact with the admissions office and also with the fees office trying to sort this out. Having said that, 17 of you have managed, it would appear, to successfully register, and I know this because when I look on the Blackboard site and see the list of users, 17 of you are up there. Now this does not include the 9 of you who are being supported by BestNet, and I know that in addition to the 9 there are maybe a few more that will be added to this list, but you should be getting your registration details this week. I've been told that everything is ready to go, but there seems to be a bit of a lag between approval in the fees office for your registration and it actually happening through the admissions office. So again, I apologise for that. Now I know that this is causing some difficulty with regard to uploading your assignment submission, and the deadline for the first assignment is tomorrow, the 22nd. So if you can just email your assignment to me as an attachment. Now, some of you who are up on Blackboard were having difficulty uploading your assignment, and for that reason you've emailed me the assignment. That's fine, but sometimes there are difficulties with the attachments if it doesn't have a DOC ending. I think some of you have a HTML ending that's DOCX, and I'm having difficulty opening those. So if you can, please, when you're sending your assignment as an attachment, don't have the DOCX ending, because that seems to cause me some problems. So if possible, save it as a doc, just a regular doc file. So I expect quite a few of you have submitted your assignments, and I hope to see some more of them coming in tomorrow. If you're having real difficulty completing on time, please do get in touch with me and maybe I can help you and we can talk about an extension, but you need to notify me tomorrow really, or by tomorrow, if you're having any particular difficulty. The second thing I wanted to mention is to do with the access to the different parts of the companion website. I think somebody emailed me asking about access to the quizzes that are at the end of the chapters. In order to access those quizzes, you need to be registered with the publisher. Now I've sent an email to the publisher giving them the list of students who are in the class, and I believe that what you have to do is email the publisher, and there's a link through the companion website which is support@cnour.com, and I think you should email them, say who you are and say that you are taking a module with the code BES514, and if you do that, I think that you will then be given access, the full access to all of the facilities on the companion website. Now they should recognise your name because I've sent the email with everybody's name on it, with all 31 names. So please follow that up and let me know how you get on. Now you don't need access to all of these things in order to complete your first couple of assignments, so don't worry too much about it, and we can talk about it again when you come in on the 3rd of October. Now the third thing I wanted to talk about was the deadline that I gave you for submission of the second assignment, and in your module booklet I said that the deadline was the 3rd of October for a first draft. Now, given all the problems that you've had with registration and getting onto Blackboard, I've decided to extend that deadline for a draft submission until the 10th of October, giving you an extra week. And this means that we might spend maybe half an hour when you come in on the 3rd of October talking specifically about what's required for your second assignment. And this assignment has to do with designing an experiment yourselves, and I'll give you a bit of guidance on that. I'll do my best to organise some kind of extra information between now and the 3rd of October. I mean, don't let me stop you working on it in the meantime. By all means, have a go at it if you think you understand what the requirements are. But if you wish to wait until you see me on the 3rd of October before submitting a draft, that's also fine. And then within a week what I'll do is I'll look at the assignment drafts and I will give you handwritten feedback. So I'll print out what you send me, and I'll write comments on it, and then I'll post them back to you through the post. So that's everything I was going to say about the assignment. Now finally, the last thing I wanted to mention was that within the next few days I aim to set up a system whereby I can text you on your mobile phones via the website, so via Vodafone website. And I would usually do this if I want to just let you know that I've put an announcement on Blackboard, for instance, or that I've emailed you some important information to do with the course. So just want to give you some warning in advance that you'll receive text messages which say something like, please check your email for important message to do with the course, or I've put an announcement or course material up on Blackboard, please look at it, and I'll put my name at the end of it, so you'll be able to recognise who it is that's sending you these texts, and they'll be just short and they'll be directing you either to your email or to your Blackboard site. So if you've changed your mobile number recently or anything like that, please get in touch with Sinead Coyne just to let us know, and you can copy me on that email. So I will be using this as a regular form of communication, as I've found in the past that it's the best way to keep in contact with students. So I think that's probably all for the moment, and if I have anything else I shall send you another one of these messages. See you on the 3rd. Bye.